How I served 1,500 plus Googlers burnt pasta. And this is how I did it. So I walked away because I had a quick lunch break, because lunch breaks weren't always the best timings at Google. So I walked away and I came back and I opened up the skillet. And a tilt skillet is, think of a big frying pan for commercial uses. So automatically I look around, no one is around except my friend Jennison. And I'm surprised no one is noticing the smell when I'm like, oh, okay, this is weird. So I had two options here, because I had 45 minutes left until service. So I had no way around this. And the menu was already made, because in Google, once you make a menu, you have to serve it no matter what. So in survival things, you gotta fix it. Knowing that burnt is bitter, the things that, how you fix it is sugar. So I grabbed some cream immediately, and I grabbed some capers. Both was salty and one was sweet. When you